Hello and welcome to the Career Center. This is an exciting place to explore a new interest, meet new friends, and learn something that could lead to starting or advancing a job. I am Ms. Logie, school counselor in the guidance office, and the first one to read your application to one of our 17 programs. We have 4 foundational programs that are designed for 9th and 10th graders, and we have 13 upper-level technical programs that are designed for 11th and 12th graders, which are also open to adults. We also have a full array of adult education courses. In fact, you might find choosing just one program here to be the most difficult. So, enjoy viewing the details of each program and meeting our very cool instructors, and catch the excitement of learning at the Career Center. At the end of this video, you will find more information about how to apply and how to find out more information. I look forward to meeting you very soon.